Hi besties, welcome to today's tutorial. So for this tutorial I've already done the base as usual. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the measurements we need for this particular style. Okay, so the cutting is going to be like as if you are doing ace or round plate autogele. Can you see I've joined everything together? But for this particular one, when I finished making it, I noticed that the measurement I used was too much, especially the second to the last and the last one. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the right measurements on the screen so that if you want to cut your own, you won't be wasting ashoke like mine, because this is the first time I'm making it. That is why I just guessed the measurements I need. Well, it is still okay because it is better to have excess than not to have enough. Okay, so the first measurement there is 25 inches. Okay, I said to use 25 inches, and if you look at the way I join it, one side is equal while the other side is giving me the ace or round plate effect. So the second one is like plus 4 inches, that is 25 plus 4, that is 29. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so the next one is going to be the 29 you have there plus 4 also. Okay, so like the previous measurement you have plus 4 for the second step, the third step is also the previous measurement you have plus 4. Why the fourth one now is plus 9. Okay, what you have for the third steps, you are going to add plus 9 to it, so you can reduce this one to say plus 6. Okay, and the last one I cut plus 15, 15 and a half, so just reduce this one to plus 9, please and please, plus 9. Okay, so the way you are going to join it, the one side is going to be equal while the other side is going to be like this. All right guys, moving on to the main work now. Can you see this side is equal? So you determine where you want your fan or ace to fall on, maybe the right or the left. Okay, so the other side that is going to be like a just a normal round pleat is where you are going to put your that straight part that is equal, while the other side is going to be for the fan part. Okay, so I'm putting mine on the right. I'm putting the what's it called on the right, um the normal round plate on the right, while the ace fan on the left. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is you're not going to fold it into two to locate in the middle. You're just going to start from the side like this, leaving like 5 to 6 inches from the side, then you pin down, then you take it all the way to the other side like that. Unlike the other one that you need to divide the first step into two to get the middle, that is if you are doing ace or round plate. This one you just leave like 5 to 6 inches from the side that is going to form the normal round plate. Okay, so then you start pinning it all the way like that to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to pin it all the way like so. Yeah, so like I'm done pleating now. Done pleating. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be forming the pleats, and if you like you can stitch this first part first, it doesn't really matter. So the way I'm going to be forming the pleats now, so one side is going to be looking like ace. Can you see this side? I'm going to be pleating it as if I want to do ace. Okay, that is, this side is going to be slimmer, and when it's getting to the middle, the width of your pleat is going to be getting wider. And of course that is where we do our our ace autogele, while this other side is going to be straight. The width you have at the middle for your pleat is going to be what you're going to take all the way down to the other side, that is that side that it is equal. So you pick it again, this other side that is not equal, you make it, you pleat it like ace, while this side you're going to take it all the way down like a normal round pleat. Okay, and that is how I'm going to continue till I get to the end of this. Okay, just watch. Can you see this one is giving me the ace effect? Can you see? Because the side, the pleats, the width of the pleats at the side is slimmer, but when it's getting to the middle you make it wider, and you maintain that same width all the way to the other side. Okay, all the way to the other side like that. Can you see what I have? All the way to the other side like that. So I'm just going to continue like that. It's very easy, it's very easy. Okay, so just take it like that, take it all the way to the middle like that, then you go like that. That's it guys. So I'm going to continue doing this, very easy. I'm going to continue doing this like that till I get to the end. So I'm just going to continue like that. So if you just happen to stumble my video, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell button so as to be notified each time I drop a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, thank you all for watching. Thank you for the shares, for liking my video, and thank you all for the comments also. Okay, so I'm just going to continue like that. Can you see the way I'm doing it is very, very easy. And this is to inform us that I sell ashoke in OCs and also in retails. I sell custom ashoke, quality ones that is of length 90 inches. Okay, and we also do training. Okay, we do online training. That is, if you want me to take you on all the styles, at least the major styles that we have extensively, I do online training also, and you can also apply for the physical training. Okay, all right, so just contact me on Telegram for that. All right guys, so I'm done with the pleating now. Can you see I'm done with the pleating? So this side that is for me is, can you see we still have SS, but this other side we've exhaust everything. That is because I'm pleating that side as a normal round plate, while this side is okay. So I'm going to place out the fan for this side. Okay, get out the fan for this side. And you know, the other side, you can even use it to form another style. Okay, instead of having just a round pleat, a straight pleat at the other side, okay, you can even twist it. You know, you can form something new. You know, you can form something new from what you've learned. Okay, you can form something new. In fact, I did one that I twisted it instead of normal pleat like that, so you can create something new. Okay, that is art for you. Just create something new, be creative about it. Okay, so you just keep on pleating like that. The fan pleat, normal fan pleat, the same way you do your ace. Okay, the same way you finish up your ace is what you are going to be doing here. Okay, the same way you finish up your ace is what you are going to be doing here. Okay, can you see I have SS here? That is why I said you should reduce your own measurements and don't go with this one, because this SS is too much. Okay, and like I said, it is better to have excess than not to have enough for the style you are trying to create. Okay, and for this style I make use of 4 pieces of ashoke. That is half bundle, and of course this ashoke is big one, so the length is 90 inches. If you want to achieve this same height, okay, and you're working with ashoke that is of length say 75 inches, you might want to increase yours to like 5 pieces instead. Okay, so you just keep on arranging. You see that one at the middle, I don't know why it's doing like that too. I don't know, but I'm going to try my best to just arrange it so that it will come out nice. So that is all guys. I'm just going to tack it together. Normally we tack our ace autogele. All right guys, so the tacking is just going to be from that side. From that, I just want to show you how I start my tacking. I bring it from the back so as to hide the knots. It's normal we would tack. You can tack any way you tack. Okay, just make sure you tack in a neat way by not altering the style that you've created, and you are good to go. But for our newbies, I'm just going to give you a technique of how I tie my own gele. Okay, I'm just going to go like that all the way. Can you see? So I'm not going to tack all that one. I'm just going to tack the one I pin down to the base when I get to the middle, because I don't want to alter that effect I have there. So I'm going to tack everything together, tack the sides. Okay, this is it guys. So I've tacked it and I've fixed the handle same way we fix our handle. So this is the middle and this is what it looks like. Can you see how high it is? So I'm going to stitch up the handle and show you the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye and God bless you.